Hello friends, first of all, very happy new year to you all. Just now I recorded my new year message in Marathi for my Marathi viewers. And while recording in English, I just tried to implement or translate that Marathi to English. But let me tell you, it doesn't happen. So very unscriptedly, I am talking or communicating with you all. With the learnings of 2020, we are entering into the year 2021. But what this year 2020 has given us, let's analyze in detail. Let's start with the month January 2020. There was a news on a news channel that a small virus is something there in China, Wuhan. But we Indians had no idea that someday that it will come or enter into the India. So no need to worry, that won't come here, right? Slowly the things pass by. Right after the China, Wuhan, then it was there in Germany, Italy, UK, US, and somewhere. And in a months to come, we were on the 5th position. In the month March, to be precise, 23rd of March 2020, the things happened which never happened in our life. There was not a single vehicle on the road, a massive lockdown. Initially it was for 15 days, it went up to 30 days, 48 days, 72 days and continues. And this lockdown have massive impact on our lives. There was a huge laydown in the companies, banking sector, economical sectors impacted severely. Many people lost their jobs. Those who were on the streets, God knows what happened with them. But friends, with this lockdown have some positive sides also. With this lockdown, we came to know that hardly few money required for well living, right? There is no need of any junk food or food from outside for healthy body. We spend a quality time with your families, which we hardly spend these days. The pollution level globally falls down severely. Again, the river, which our government, rather the government before this government, tried and spends a lot of money, but never happened before. The nature cleaned the river automatically. So we came to know that there is nothing beyond this nature. This nature is designed so beautifully that it can take care of himself. So the man which intervening with the nature is not beyond the nature, that we came to know. Apart from this lockdown, very beautiful things happen. The people like you and me, those who are having some abilities or some things to express, started living with those things. Who are having hobbies, dance, all started growing at their home. Just like I started this video making process. I used to write somewhere something, but this platform of sharing my views through videos is very efficient and expresses myself to the number of people. So these kind of things, good things happen in my life. And apart from this lockdown, the things happen in 2020 which have a severe impact and learnings I want to share with you all. There was a very well talked, breaking news kind of a thing, that case of Sushant Singh Rajput, a famous, well-known, loved actor, beautiful actor. I used to love him personally. And from his suicide case, we came to know that whatever the things we used to see on the TV, on silver screen, are not actually happening in their lives. There is a massive depression, massive kind of thing which we are not able to see happen with them, ultimately kill that or made him to suicide. So friends, after SSR case, there was a case of Riya Chakravarti, then CBI to Kangana to Sanjay Raut, and the things went on. After that, the US elections, after Trump, then Biden came, these kind of things happened, and right now the farmer protest in Delhi. I have a very different and detailed views about this farmer protest and the farm bill. Being a son of a farmer, I have experienced the things personally. The things which my father used to tell me in my childhood, that kind of things are there in the bill, but there might be some flaws and government will work on it and will resolve the issue. I hope so. And now talking about the year 2021. So how can we do to make this year memorable to we all? We guys makes a resolution on 1st of January. But do you know, are we able to implement these kind of resolutions till the end of a year? So the things which we have thought for ourselves, we have to work them. So you might have seen there is a slight difference between the resolution and the completion of those resolutions. And the gap lies between you and me. It is only the determination kind of a thing which comes into the picture. And we have to work on that. Rather than comparing yourself with the other person, just compare yourself with your own. Compare you of 2020 and compare you at the end of a 2021. And you should be able to see the remarkable changes in yourself. So this is my New Year message to you guys. I hope this New Year will give you a reason to remember. So how this year gonna be for you? Work on it, guys. So what is your New Year resolution? Please let me know in the comment box. And if you are here for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I will be uploading my new videos. So that's it for today, guys. This is Prajwal Gaikwad signing off. Thanks for watching and wish you a very happy New Year.